Good morning students. Welcome to today's class. So last class we have been discussing about chapter 8 factors and multiples in that exercise 8D. So let's discuss homework answers first. First question, find the HCF and LCM of the following numbers in that D 465 and 1160. So you will get the HCF 93 and LCM 5580. Okay. Now E 408 and 1530. You will get HCF 102 and LCM will be 6120. Next F 603 and 1608. The HCF is 201 and LCM is 4824. Now fourth question, complete the following table. So here one table is given. In that first column it is numbers. Then second column you need to find the product of given numbers. In the third column you need to find the HCF of numbers. In the fourth column LCM of the numbers, and the fifth column you need to find the product of LCM and HCF. That is what HCF you got and what LCM you got. You need to multiply that. Their product you need to write. Okay. So first 12 and 15. So their product you can get by multiplying 12 into 15, that is 180. Now finding their HCF, you can use any method. Okay, let's use prime factor method here. So 12, 15. Both 12 and 15 is divisible by 3. So divide 12 and 15 by 3. So 12 divided by 3 it is 4. 15 divided by 3 it is 5. Now 4 and 5. You know, these two numbers, you can't find a number with which you can divide these two numbers. Okay, there is no common factor for this number. So you can stop here. So what will be HCF? HCF equal to 3. So you can write in the next column. In the third column you can write it 3. Next LCM. So LCM also you can use prime factorization method. So 12, 15. Now 12 and 15 is divisible by 3. You can divide it by 3. So 12 divided by 3 it is 4 and 15 divided by 3 it is 5. Now 4. You can divide it by 2. Okay. You can't find a number with which you can divide both 4 and 5. So first do the prime factorization of 4. Okay. So 4 you can divide it by 2. So 2 into 2, 4. Or 4 divided by 2 you will get 2. Now 5 you can't divide it by 2. So write 5. Okay. Now 2 you can divide it by 2 only. So 2 divided by 2, 1. 5 you can't divide it by 2, so write 5 itself. Now in place of 5 you have to make it 1. So 5 you can divide it by 5 only. Okay, so 1, 5 divided by 5 you will get 1. So what will be LCM? 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, 12, 12 into 5, it is 60. Okay, so LCM, it is 60. Next, product of LCM and HCF, that is product of these two numbers, 3 into 60. You will get 180 only. Okay, so you can see here, product of the numbers, you got 180, and product of their LCM and HCF also you got 180. Okay. Second one, 18 and 24. So product Their product you can find 18 into 24, you will get 432. Now you need to find the HCF. So you can use prime factorization method. So 18, 24. You can divide it by 2. Both these numbers you can divide it by 2. So 18 divided by 2 it is 9. 24 divided by 2 it is 12. Now 9 and 12 you can divide both these numbers by 3. So 9 divided by 3, 3. 12 divided by 3, 4. Now 3 and 4, you can't find a number with which you can divide 3 and 4. That is, you can't find a number with which 3 and 4 is divisible. Okay, so you can stop there. So the HCF will be 2 into 3, 6. Okay, next LCM you need to find. So you can use prime factorization method. So 18 and 24 it is divisible by 2. So you can divide by 2. 18 divided by 2, 9. 24 divided by 2, 12. Okay, 9 and 12 you can divide it by 3. So 9 divided by 3, 3. 12 divided by 3, 4. Now 3 you can divide it by 3 only. Okay, you can't find a number with which you can divide 3 and 4. So you want to make these numbers 1. So 3 you can divide it by 3 only. So 1 here. Now 4 you can't divide it by 3. So write down 4 itself. Okay. Now 4. In place of 4 you have to bring 1 or make it 1. So 4 you can divide it by 2. Don't use 4 here because 4 is a composite number. Okay, don't use composite numbers for division in prime factorization. Okay, so 4 you can divide it by 2. So 1, 4 divided by 2 it is 2. Now 2 you can divide it by 2 only. So 1, 2 divided by 2, 1. So you got 1 here. You can stop here. Now what will be LCM? LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. That is 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. You will get 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18 into 2, 36. 36 into 2, 72 is the LCM. So you can write in the box HCF you got 6. Now LCM you got 72. Product of LCM and HCF, that is 6 into 12 or 72 into 6. 6 into 72 you got 432. So you can see here product of the numbers equal to product of their LCM and HCF. Do the third, fourth and fifth as homework. Fifth question. The greatest number which divides 1155 and 3080 exactly is 385. Find the least number which is divisible by 1155 and 3080. Okay, the greatest number which divides 1155 and 3080 exactly. This means HCF of 1155 and 3080. Okay, the highest common factor or HCF of 1155 and 3080 is given 385. Now what you need to find here? Find the least number which is divisible by 1155 and 3080. That is, you need to find the LCM. Least number which is divisible by 1155 and 3080 means LCM of 1155 and 3080. Okay, so you can write the steps like this. It is given HCF of 1155 and 3080 equal to 385. This is given. Now you need to find the LCM of 1155 and 3080. So you know formula for finding LCM when HCF is given. Okay, LCM of two numbers equal to their product by their HCF. So first write the product, then that product divided by HCF, you will get LCM. So here 1115, their product you can find by multiplying 1155 into 3080 divided by HCF, it is 385. Okay, now 385 and 1155, it will go in 3. Okay, on dividing you will get a 3. Now 3080 into 3 or 3 into 3080, you will get a 9240. So the least number which is divisible by 1155 and 3080 is 9240. That is LCM of 1155 and 3080. Sixth question. Find the greatest number that can divide 663 and 975 exactly. So I told you the greatest number that can divide. This means HCF. Okay. So HCF of 663 and 975 you need to find here. Okay, find the greatest number that can divide 663 and 975 exactly. Okay, that means HCF of 663 and 975. You can use any method. Let's use division method. 975, greatest number, it is 975 in this. Okay, that you can divide by 663. Now 663 into 1, you will get 663. Now on subtracting, you will get 312. Now 312, this divisor will become the dividend. So 663, you can divide it by the remainder 312. Okay, so 312 into 2, it is 624. Now 13, subtracting, you will get 39. Okay, next this 312, you can divide it by 39. Okay, the last divisor will become the new dividend and remainder will become the divisor. So 312, you can divide it by 39. So 39 into 8, it is 312. Okay, on subtracting, you will get the remainder 0. So you can stop here. So what is the HCF? You can write HCF of 975 and 663, it is 39 here. Now conclusion, you can write the greatest number that can divide 663 and 975 exactly equal to 39. Okay, that is HCF of 663 and 975. So this much for this class. Thank you.